Here's a few photos of them last year. Here's Harvey with a full hopper. Transferring the corn to the grain cart. It's untelling what you'll see out there in a cornfield. I caught up with them in November 2016 near Highway 137. They were transferring grain from the combine to the cart. Usually they do this while they're still cutting and moving, but because of that little patch of trees on the left, they had to stop for this operation. Here, Aaron's repositioning the grain cart for when the combine's full again. Here, Harvey's cleaning up those odd rows. Harvey's done with those last few rows, he'll turn around and start back down the length of the field. Here I'll catch up with him and take a look at that corn just gushing into that hopper. Isn't that just beautiful? He's picking 8 rows at a time. There's usually just one ear on each stalk. Now, Harvey, don't watch the drone. Pay attention to your cutting. Now, this is how the loading is usually done, on the move. Harvey, pay attention to that corn. Forget the drone, you won't spill so much. So with the cart full, and we're waiting for the semi, I thought I'd show Aaron how the drone works. I was moving it to the left, moving it to the right. I didn't even know the camera was on. I see Aaron checking the time. Of course, while we're standing around, Javi's out there just cutting away. And then Andy showed up with the semi. and the transfer could begin on the highway. That transfer amounts to a little over 1,000 bushels. That pretty golden corn looks yellow to us, but it's green to them. This may take a while, but I just enjoy being a part of it. Harry's telling Andy, don't you spill none of that corn. Here's what it sounds like along that highway. Well, by golly, it was a nice November afternoon. They're just about done, so am I. It was a nice afternoon with the Yarcs. So now Aaron's headed out back into the field for another load.